welcome friends. Today I am going to talk about the world's fastest runners, which are cheetahs. We all know more about cheetahs, but today I am going to tell some facts which many of us don't know. Come guys, let's go inside this video. The cheetahs are mainly present in the semi-Saharan parts of Africa, and few numbers are present in the northeast parts of Iran. And the semi-Saharan part is located in the middle of this Africa, that is located in the savanna grassland, and these places will be having cheetahs, antelopes, deers, giraffes, which are the food for some of the carnivorous animals like cheetahs and leopards. And about 9,000 to 12,000 cheetahs are present in Africa. And the length of the cheetahs is 110 centimeter to 140 centimeter. The length of the cheetah, which I told now, is only the length of the body. The cheetahs have a long tail which is about 70 centimeters. About the length of their tail is more than the half of their total body length, and they are about just 50 kgs, and this weight is less comparing to tigers and lions. And all the cat family like tigers, lions, leopards, jaguars, even small cats which are located in our streets near our home roars like lions, tigers, leopards, roars very. The roaring and the sound of these animals like lion and tiger is a pride for them. Then the small cats, what's their roar? Even the sound of the small cats can be heard from some distance. For their size, it's a great roar. But though cheetahs are very long and powerful, they can't roar, and they are the only cats which can't roar. And why cheetah is very famous? It's famous for its speed in running. It runs at a speed of 112 kilometers per hour, and they can get this speed in just 3 seconds. This is 3 seconds. Imagine 112 kilometers per hour distance speed covering in just 3 seconds is very amazing thing. This thing can be done only by cheetahs, because cheetahs are having long back legs for moving fast, and their long body helps them to do this. Then you may think that cheetahs can hunt any animals like antelopes or deers or giraffes which run very fast, but wrong. Cheetahs can run in a speed of 112 kilometers per hour, but they can run only for 200 to 300 meters, because they are running very fast, and their stamina will reduce if they cross 200 to 300 meters. Because the antelopes and many herbivorous animals will be having strong back legs for giving a kick to the cheetahs. From that, these animals and these antelopes are safeguarding themselves from these cheetahs. And while you are seeing the face of cheetahs, near their eyes you may see black stripes near their eyes, two stripes in two eyes. You may think why this is present in cheetah's face. Every part of every animal or insect or even humans, it is very very important. Like that black line on cheetahs is very important for them. How can be this small line can be useful for cheetahs? That's because in the African savannas, that is semi-Saharan, think of a desert, how hot and how shining will the sun be, and there will be no clouds. So the sun will be shining very hot and brightly. To protect the cheetah's eyes, these lines are present on their face. And not only cheetahs' legs are very powerful and fast, even their eyes are very powerful. That is, they can see and they can see their prey even from 5 kilometers. Think of 5 kilometers. Human beings can see only till 100 meters or more than 100 to 150 meters. But think of 5,000 meters, which is 5 kilometers. It's 50 times higher than we humans. And previously I told you that the main habitat of cheetahs is sub-Saharan parts of Africa, but the original origin of cheetahs are not sub-Saharan part of Africa. The original origin of these cheetahs is America. But today cheetahs are very very less in number in America, and they are present only in the zoos and some of the places where animals are kept for their development. And how many days can a cheetah live? It is 10 to 12 years, and a female cheetah give birth to about 2 to 8 young ones. And the cheetah, while running very very fast, these antelopes and deers will run by changing their direction, zigzag, cross. So these cheetahs must change their direction. For changing their direction, this tail is very very helpful for them. And another thing about cheetahs, that is, cheetahs can survive, and not only survive, cheetahs need water only once in 2 to 3 days. We human beings can't be without water for even 1 hour in the summer season. Think of cheetahs, they no need water for 2 to 3 days. And one negative thing about cheetahs, that is, they can't climb a tree. Yes, the leopards and jaguars can climb the trees, but cheetahs can't climb the trees. And generally all the cats will be having a good night eyesight, but the cheetahs have poor night eyesight. And some of the varieties of cheetahs is Asian cheetah, Northwest cheetah, South Saharan African cheetahs, and Asiatic cheetahs. Mainly these South African cheetahs are mainly present all over the world. And one very very sad thing about cheetahs is they are endangered animals. Previously in this video, I told that only 9,000 to 12,000 cheetahs are present in Africa. So think of just 9,000 to 12,000 cheetahs in this whole earth. This vast earth is having only 9,000 to 12,000 cheetahs. And we are going to lose cheetahs in our earth in some days. But that must not happen. We all humans must develop a habitat for these cheetahs if they must be inside this earth for more years forever. You may thinking why these cheetahs becomes endangered only because of human beings. I told you human beings only must develop the habitat for cheetahs, but human beings are making the cheetahs to be endangered. They are cutting the trees, they are destroying the savannas for making industrial areas and agriculture. The savannas are going, we are losing the savannas. In such way, we are also losing cheetahs. We must create many organizations. We no need any organization for developing cheetahs. Just not destructing their habitat is a good thing which is made by us to protect the cheetahs. Okay guys, I request all of you, don't damage the cheetah's life and don't disturb cheetahs. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video.